Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build investment opportunities with PayPal, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin building investment opportunities with PayPal, create a PayPal account if you do not already have one. Visit the PayPal website and click on the Sign Up button. Choose between a personal or business account based on your needs. Fill in the required personal information such as your name, email, and password. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Link your bank account or credit card to your PayPal account for easy funding. Once your account is set up, explore the Invest section on PayPal. Here, you will find options for investing in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency. Select the asset type that interests you and review its performance history. After deciding on an asset, determine how much money you wish to invest. Enter the amount and submit your investment order. Monitor your investments regularly through your PayPal dashboard. Take note of market trends and news that could impact your investments. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in multiple asset types. Use the provided analytics tools within PayPal to analyze your investments. Set specific financial goals to guide your investment strategy. Regularly review your goals and adjust your investment strategy as needed. Stay informed about PayPal's updates and any new investment opportunities. Engage with the community forums to share insights and learn from fellow investors. Continue educating yourself about investment strategies to enhance your skills. Utilize PayPal's customer service for any questions or issues related to your investments. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building investment opportunities with PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.